You might have seen one of my recent videos of the boat restoration, so now I'm at the stage where I can do this. You're going to need a few things. First of all, mainly an anchor. You're going to also need a thimble to splice the rope onto. You're going to need a length of chain, a couple of shackles, preferably with holes in the pins so we can mouse them, and some wire to do that mousing. If you can't splice, I'll make another video and I'll probably post that in the description below. First things first, this just makes it a lot easier putting tape around the 3 different lays, because all the strands tend to go a bit AWOL, and then makes it a bit of a nightmare to actually splice the rope onto anything. Alright, so with the thimble you've got to get it quite tight, otherwise what's going to happen is, with a bit of movement and stuff with the ocean, that thimble's just going to come out and you're going to lose your thimble, and you'll also start to wear the rope. So we'll get this my camera went flat so while I was doing that, but anyway, I'll show you in another video how to splice a rope, but that's the thimble spliced in. Get that really nice and tight, and then I like to melt these ends. It should stop the rope pulling through. Now you're going to attach one end of your chain to one of your shackles. Get that up nice and tight. And then you're going to want to mouse that wire, what I call mousing anyway. A bit of wire. I do this by going through the base of the shackle like that, crossing it over, sending that end through the pin, same as this end, crossing it back over, sending it back down through again. Last but not least, we're going to attach the shackle to the thimble. So you want to go the bow end into your thimble, it allows it to move around, and then you pin end of your shackle into the chain. mouse this one, and that's done.